Tonight at the Garrison, we usually mess around, have some fun, but being it's 9/11, I thought I would do a couple tribute drinks. Stick with me. It's going to be a little long video, not terrible, but stay to the end and let me know what you think. First drink we're going to do, 2 ounces of cinnamon whiskey. Anyone you got? I'm just using this one up right now. 1, 2. Then you got about a 1/2 ounce of maple syrup. I got a bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. Keep it in the fridge, makes it good. So about a 1/2 ounce of that. And you're going to do about 2 dabs of bitters. Okay. Shake that up good. Pour that over ice. I'm going to top that off with an orange. I give you the fire alarm. Okay, next on the list, we're going to do, supposed to use white rum. Got our white rum, but I've got Shipwreck Distillery up in Caseville, Michigan. Really good place. We'll do an event on this one night. We're going to use a little bit of this, so about 1.5 white rum. You need about 1.5 lime juice. Okay. 1/2 shot of grenadine. Then about 2 ounces of club soda. Pour that out. This one, side of orange. A couple cherries. I'm going to use the moonshine ones because they're really good. Okay. I'll give you the Fireman sour. Okay, so third drink. Malibu rum. You do about 2 ounces of Malibu. Two ounces of blue caracal. You can do 2 ounces of pineapple or lemonade. Do a little lemonade. Okay. Shake, shake, shake. Okay. I give you the thin blue line. It's bedding. So once again, I'm gonna move my camera back a little bit so I can get a good look at this. Yeah, we'll go back here. Okay. Thin blue line. Fireman sour. And the fire alarm. Never forget. Cheers. We'll always remember.